So now is an option to receive noise notifications. So the microphone can measure the sound levels, and it doesn't record the audio, but it will let you know if it can affect your hearing. If you're at a loud concert, or if the music's too loud, or if you hear loud noise, it will notify you if it's too loud, depending and if it could affect your hearing. You'll get a little notification on your Apple Watch and on your iPhone. You can turn this off just by selecting it right there, or you can turn it on just by selecting it right there. And then you just press the continue button at the very bottom in order to move forward, just like that. Next up is safety. So the Apple Watch can help in an emergency. You've got things like emergency SOS, where you can hold the side button to call emergency services and notify emergency contacts. You've got fall detection during workouts. Apple Watch can call emergency services if it detects a hard fall and if you need help.